What is up, everybody? Today it's time for a GPU because this bitch is looking hungry. Oh yeah. Alright, let's get into this bitch. Alright. Oh, fancy baby mama girl. Anything else in this magical box to rock my magical socks? Oh, a little pamphlet. That's cute. We'll save that for later. So let's hold her up. Very nice. Got half a back plate. Thanks EVGA. Can't give us a full one ever. Oh. I'm pretty sure this lights up. My old card was broken and didn't light up, but let's open this bitch up and get her in. Righty. We got the condom off. We got the side panel off. She's ready to insert. Ooh. Let's see it. Oh. Alright. She's plugged in, jugged in, and rugged in. Let's get her going. So there it is, everybody and everyone. The RTX 2060 sitting in my PC. Looks pretty dang good. Pretty much a fat success. Anyways, like, comment, rate, subscribe, share this video with your homies, and I hope you like my unboxing video.